Hi everyone, welcome to the GeoAR tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to do the location-based calibration. First step, you're gonna use the cell phone to provide the coordinates to the HoloLens. You're gonna use here the PPM commander and this antenna that provided us very accurate position systems. And the first thing that's important is to make sure that you're gonna connect to the hotspot Wi-Fi from the cell phone, so that you can request the positions from the cell phone, right? And then here you have the PPM commander that's gonna give us the coordinates. And once you have this, you need to make sure that the device is connected to the hotspot. As you can see there, 1 plus Rafaelo, so that's correct. Another thing that's important is that you need to turn on the app GPS for HoloLens, and this app is the one that provides the service for the HoloLens. Right? Once that's done, you can open the application, the GeoAR application. It's open. Now you have here your application menu. Make sure that you go to the calibration options and location-based is selected. Here you can select the different types of calibration, right? And here you can see that you have the square length. It means how big is the square of the calibration spheres. And okay, you can press the button calibrate, and then they're gonna provides you 4 calibration spheres. And now you can just walk there. You move here, and it's very important at this moment to have a very accurate that you keep the antenna positioned to the device very fixed, right? The relative position shouldn't move. So I will keep here, and I try always to look in the same direction to have a more accuracy on this calibration. So I will walk now and collide with the sphere, and once I hear the sound, in 3 seconds starts collecting the position, and I hear a sound that confirms that points were collected here, 3 points. Now I go to the other calibration sphere, keeping the antenna always in the same position and look in the same direction. Okay, I hear, so collected points, very good accuracy. And now to the other. And finally the last sphere. Alright, after collecting points for all spheres, they will calculate the parameters. As you can see here, the accuracy spheres, so you have the blue and the pink, and the more together they are, better was your calibration. You can see that they are all together. And here you can see the accuracy, vertical and horizontal accuracy of about 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters. And once you have done that, you don't need the GPS anymore for now. I will leave it here. Okay, you have your spheres, and then you can load the visualization or load the georeference objects. And yes, so you can see I have in this visualization, these virtual landmarks registering on the church, Karlskirche, another one on Stephansdom, and a building here, which is not very accurate, but it's enough to show the case, right? You can see there this green column exactly where is the Stephan's Dome, right? And here one where it's supposed to be the Kausky ship. This is the location-based calibration. It's very easy. Now I'm gonna show you that you can do the dynamic calibration. I will take the antenna again. Okay, let me hold the antenna here. Well, you have a calibration, as you can see, already done. But let's say I want to have another calibration spheres to add to this previous calibration that you have. What you need to do is basically, I will go a bit further where I did the calibration. Basically, you can go here to options, location-based calibration, and there is a button here called New Sphere. I will press it, and 1 meter in front of me they're gonna show you another sphere. So I can go there now with my antenna and wait. The points will be collected, and then they collected these points and add it together with the other control points. You can press here to load the visualization again, and they're gonna recalculate the parameters. Because this was not so well collected, the calibration got worse. So I just want to show you this functionality. Thank you very much. I hope you like it.